Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. It seems like the leaks just keep rolling in, doesn't it? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Google Pixel with some exclusive insights into the highly anticipated Pixel 9 Pro series. Buckle up, because we're in for a ride. Imagine our surprise when, months ahead of Google's typical launch schedule, images of not just the Pixel 9 Pro, but also its XL counterpart, hit the internet courtesy of the folks over at Rosec. It's like Christmas came early for tech aficionados. The Pixel 9 Pro promises to marry Google's cutting-edge camera technology with a more compact form factor, catering to those who crave top-notch performance without sacrificing convenience. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro XL stands tall, quite literally, setting the stage for a showdown against even the likes of Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Leaked live photos have given us an unprecedented peek into the Pixel 9 Pro's sleek design language, featuring rounded edges, a refined frame, and the Pi CE assistance, a distinctive pill-shaped rear camera bar. This departure from the norm marks a refreshing evolution in Google's design ethos, setting the stage for what could be the most visually striking Pixel lineup yet. But wait, there's more! Russian websiter CT, citing an unnamed but presumably well-informed source, has spilled the beans on what could be the entire Pixel 9 series lineup. Brace yourselves, folks, because it's not just about the Pixel 9 Pro anymore. We're talking about a trifecta of technological marvels, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Each device comes with its own set of specifications and code names, hinting at a diverse range of options to cater to every user's needs. Let's talk numbers, shall we? The Pixel 9 boasts a 6.24-inch display and a generous 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance even under the most demanding tasks. Meanwhile, its bigger siblings, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL, codenamed Cayman and Kodo respectively, up the ante with larger displays 6.34 inches and 6.73 inches to be precise, and a whopping 16 GB of RAM each. It's a spec sheet that reads like a wish list for tech enthusiasts, promising unparalleled performance and multitasking capabilities. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the cameras. Google has long been hailed as a pioneer in smartphone photography, and the Pixel 9 series looks set to carry on that legacy. While the Pixel 9 is rumored to feature a dual rear camera setup, its Pro counterparts, true to their name, boast a triple camera system, with each lens packing a formidable 50 megapixels. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just someone who loves capturing life's moments in stunning detail, the Pixel 9 series has you covered. But it's not just about what's under the hood, aesthetics matter too. The Pixel 9 series introduces a fresh design language, with more rounded corners reminiscent of the iPhone 15 series. It's a departure from the angular aesthetic of its predecessor, signaling Google's commitment to staying ahead of the curve in both form and function. And let's not forget about the elephant in the room, the rumored Pixel 9 Fold. While details are scarce, its mere existence has sent ripples of excitement through the tech community. Could this be Google's answer to the growing demand for foldable smartphones? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Google isn't pulling any punches when it comes to innovation. So, what does all this mean for you, the tech-savvy consumer? Well, for starters, it means more choices than ever before. Whether you're a casual user looking for a reliable everyday companion or a power user in need of a performance powerhouse, the Pixel 9 series has something for everyone. As for when you can get your hands on these technological marvels, well, that's anyone's guess. But if history is any indication, we can expect an official unveiling during Google I/O 2024. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for all the latest updates and insights into the world of Pixel. And as always, don't forget to share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. That's all for now, folks. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and above all, stay excited about the future of technology. Peace out!